I'm Sam Reardon with Biotherm Solutions. I'm a retail sales specialist, and I came out here to Plant Peddler Plants to show support for a longtime friend and customer, Mike Gooder and Rachel Gooder. And we're here for their Poinsettia Variety Day. We actually drove here in our Mercedes Sprinter van that we got during COVID when we didn't know how long the lockdown would be. So we decked it out with all of our products, and basically so we can bring everything we have to offer to the customer. Anything they're interested in, we can show them. Hey, how about we go out there and take a look at it right now? It's pretty cool. We have different samples, our different heat pipes and roll and grow, our microclimate, our dissolved oxygen system. We have different brochures that we can hand out to people. We also got hats and shirts to share with everyone too.